In this video, you will learn how to make an appointment online. Go to BlueEagleCreditUnion.com and click Make an Appointment. Here you can select from one of our locations. Select one of the options below to let our member advisor know how they can help you. Next, choose your favorite member advisor, or select No Preference. Now you can select a time and date that's most convenient for you. You will then confirm your booking. Please add your first name, last name, your email, phone number, and a note if needed. Next, you can choose your appointment preference, then click Confirm Booking. Your booking has been confirmed. We'll see you soon.